Hey everybody, so I've got some pretty exciting news. I signed up to sell Pampered Chef. I've been on a social media crusade here now for a while, and I have already been doing a ton of cooking shows. I've got a lot of requests to do more of them. And like that one video I did of the can openers got like 5,000 views, and it just like kind of crazy. So I want to be able to put some Pampered Chef products out here, demonstrate them, already do what I'm going to do, which is cooking shows, and show what I do, show my life to you, and be able to um, use products that you can buy at home. So that was kind of my thoughts. I think it's going to tie in very, very well to my existing social media. I did start a new TikTok channel. I'll probably put that in the notes or something somewhere. So if you want to follow my new TikTok channel, it's going to be a little bit off content from what I've been producing. That one's kind of a business channel. This one's going to be a personal channel. I'm super excited about it. I am ready to go. If you ever hosted a party, you want to host another one, let me know. I do got a nice launch party going on right now, so if you do want to see a nice catalog of products you buy, we'll ship them right to you. We'll take care of you. So if you want to host a party, let me know. If you just want to buy some products, I got a nice sale going on right now in my store. We're happy to take care of you. Looking forward to showing you more to come. Appreciate you.